May it please the listeners. I am Vinegar.
I am Salt.
I am Onigiri.
We are
Obitarama.
So, what is unapproachable aura, guys?
One look at us and you would know.
Oh my god.
Wow. There you go. That's the perfect definition of unapproachable aura.
Let's Google it.
Google it.
Okay. Oh, Google says an unapproachable person seems unfriendly, aloof, difficult to talk to, often display closed off body language. Unclench your buttholes, guys.
What is it? Alright.
Avoiding eye contact and appearing disinterested or preoccupied.
Sounds like an anxious person, to be honest.
Yeah.
We are
This
nothing
is
like this.
the definition is doing us wrong.
Yeah, this
We
is
are
not
nothing like
unapproachable
this.
at all. What is this?
Difficult. Very bad.
But the
Whatever.
the main thing is seems unfriendly, aloof, or difficult to talk to.
Difficult to talk to, I can understand to an
Difficult to talk
extent.
to, I can understand.
But seems aloof. What is that? We are not seeming aloof.
Like when you start using a loofah, you become
A loofer.
a loofah.
We are aloofers.
We are loofers.
Oh my god. But let's give it our
This is so
kind of
lame.
definition.
So what do we think is unapproachable?
I think people who have unapproachable aura will exude an air of exclusiveness.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the people like some idiot should feel a little hesitation.
It's not
approaching.
only about idiots, it's in general only. Like, people would feel hesitant to reach out to us unless it's for some
A valid.
a valid reason.
Yeah. So like only real people with like genuine things. can
Yeah,
approach.
yeah. You
Like they-
cannot come to us for small talk.
Yeah, you.
Because
Small-
we're not
It's
interested.
like we are in 2025. Why are we asking for the weather?
Really,
But that is what
I'm so done with
works.
small talk.
Yeah, Vinegar, do you want to know the weather? The weather is climate change and we will die in 2 years. So shut the fuck up. I
But I
don't
think-
want to know the weather.
But I think, oh my god, small talk is something which I cannot ever do. Like, ever. I'm so bad at talking to strangers, yaar. What do you even talk? People just go and approach. That is why I have made only 2 friends in my degree, guys. You guys are my only friends.
Is this unapproachable aura or loser?
This is not a loser, okay? You
Is
guys.
unapproachable aura a choice or a post?
Yeah.
No! It's like you guys were the only diamonds shining from afar.
Oh wow.
In the crowd.
Oh,
So I had to
wow.
pick you
Rihanna
guys.
appearing twice today.
Rihanna appearing twice today.
Plus, we are very authentic, okay? We are real.
Yeah.
We are not like,
We're not
Making
there
up
for
things.
for this and that.
yeah, we're not pretentious at all.
Yeah.
We are what we are.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
not pretentious at all.
How are
Yeah.
we pretentious, guys? I don't see anything pretending here.
We are on a pod. I think we can't be more pretentious.
What is pretentious in being in a pod?
Arey, it's like
Are we acting cool? No, we are already cool.
Oh my!
so either we are cool or delusional.
No!
But either way we are real.
We are real. Okay. We are not delusional. We are real. And we are cool because we are real.
What? I thought she was-
Aristotle has been quiet.
Y is equal to Z. So X is equal to Z.
What are these
Aristotle have been
anagrams?
quiet.
What is happening? we used to read these anagrams when we were preparing for these now. That if all cats are dogs and all dogs are bitches. It is like
God.
that.
Ugh.
Arey,
But the thing is, what I'm trying to tell you is, we are not pretending in a way that somebody likes us. Okay? We are what we are and we accept what we are. And we only talk
It's like we are not seeking that validation.
Yeah.
Whether you like us or not, it's
Yeah,
your choice.
No,
and
no.
if somebody does not like us, we clearly don't stay there.
Yes, like what you see is what you get.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
Like, even to get anybody's attention or to not get anybody's attention. Did I just fart?
Did you?
Salt just farted.
This is the first time
Okay.
we farted.
Oh, wow.
Please sit tight so the air doesn't leak.
See now, guys. This can't get any more real. We are farting for you.
At least you're not like Tiger Shroff and not.
See, I did not hide it.
Yes, you did not hide it. In the future, when people ask you if whether you fought or not, will you deny it?
No, I don't up to it. I like but.
You sounded like his dad.
Oh, wow.
Like Jackie Shroff. Oh my god, what is happening?
But-
So,
I know, but that incident, did you
Which
notice?
incident?
Like,
The Tiger
fart,
Shroff?
Yeah. Like, did you notice when he farted, he jumped?
Oh my
Yeah.
god,
Like his fart propelled him.
his fart pushed him off his feet.
Like, what
he
was
shot up
happening?
like a rocket.
Yeah, like, what was happening? This is the protein
my
shake
God.
fart.
Oh my
yes.
god, his
Yeah.
gym is catching on.
In his protein shake, he's mixing some petrol or something, which is like propelling him.
Yeah, I can't believe how Shraddha was just sitting there.
Yeah.
Looking at him as if, what
was
should I do
laughing.
now?
But
Yeah.
then, even the people were like, everyone around him, they just like let him be with it.
Yeah.
But
Because he's an actor, yeah. Plus he's Nepo.
but again, the internet will not forgive him. Not the internet, तो will fucking.
When somebody was commenting like, it's not, maybe he did not fart.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
the
people,
sound of the sofa.
Yeah.
And then, like,
and then people would be like, come from real ID, Tiger. Tiger, it's okay.
Arey.
Tiger, it's okay.
Oh my god, it
Like,
was
can
so
you imagine
funny.
the life of a PR person?
Yeah.
Like,
Handling
today I am going to work, I am traveling for an hour to cover this ass's fart.
Oh my
If I am that PR person and this actor has farted and now I am asked to cover his fart, I'm like, fuck you. I didn't sign up for this shit. I would
Okay.
better accept somebody saying something politically incorrect and me covering that than covering this fart.
Yeah, you're covering a fart. Just accept it, bro.
Yes.
It's very clear, okay?
Yeah.
How can you just get up and there's a sound and then you say it's nothing? Like, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Also, had he like sat properly and not like jumped, it would have been an easier cover up.
There is a technique to let out your fart slowly.
Yeah,
okay?
like Onigiri is farting right now.
No, the way I'm sitting, I would not be able to fart. So you tilt one side of your butt up, one side of your leg up, and
It's-
then you hold your butt cheeks apart, okay, a little
Yeah,
bit.
Oh my
the
God.
whole point
You-
is-
Oh my god.
And then you let out a whisper of a fart. The loudest it will be like,
it would be like a sigh.
yeah, it'd be like a
Yeah.
shh.
Yeah. And the whole
I
point.
think this is going to be like my song to sleep.
Oh my god. This is your white noise. The whole point of the sound of the fart is that your butt cheeks collide and then they make a sound.
They
So,
vibrate.
yeah. So you just if you just
This is twerking before twerking.
oh my god. So if you just separate the butts, then there's no
Nonchalant
there's no
twerking.
noise.
Yeah. So we were just going to impress the listeners with our aura and now asking them to separate their butt cheeks
See,
before
guys,
farting.
we're being very real with you. See, we are unapproachable to everybody.
Like this, nobody wants to approach us, okay?
Yeah.
These party people, let them be. Oh, but maybe that is what builds an unapproachable aura.
Instead of unapproachable aura, we'll have a brown aura.
Oh my god.
No, maybe an unapproachable aura is a cloud of fart around you.
What the fuck? No. Maybe we are unapologizing aura.
Oh, yeah. That is unapproachable, Aura.
Oh, yeah,
Do
that
not
is-
apologize for this shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's equal only. Okay, we found a new name now. We are the unapproachable, unapologizing aura.
Unapologetic. We don't care for it.
Yeah.
Ooh, you know what? What this reminds me of?
What?
Ma'am. Okay, we'll beep the name. But oh my god, she was exactly like this
This
guy.
teacher in our class
Oh
who
yeah.
taught us this very good subject. She's an amazing teacher, let me
She
tell you.
is.
She-
We remember every sentence that she told
Exactly. When I was writing the exam, na,
us. Yeah.
it rang.
Sapind.
Sapind.
This was also like a vibrating part only.
Yeah, it was like Sapind, and I was
It had
writing
an
it in
aura
the
of its
paper.
own.
Aura of its own.
She is such a diva, but she was a really nice
Arey,
teacher.
Do you remember the time
She's a good teacher.
when the ma'am was taking attendance and
Oh,
there
yeah,
was like
yeah,
a
yeah.
ruckus?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. She was taking an attendance and there was a ruckus. Like usually there is a ruckus at
Yeah.
the time of attendance. A lot of people are leaving.
Yeah.
Like who are not there to give attendance and all. And a guy from behind, he thought he missed his roll number or something.
Yeah.
He went to her and asked that, ma'am, I might have missed my roll number.
And he
or
was
something."
speaking to the attendance sheet.
Yeah. He was checking the attendance.
Name, yeah.
And she started shouting and she said, "You are trying to be a hero. You are trying to be a hero. You are not the hero here. I am
I'm
the,
the
fucking heroine.
of this class.
I am the heroine here." She was like, "What?"
And she was shit serious about it. Okay,
Yeah,
she was
yeah,
not
she
even
was.
joking.
joking.
She was not
meant
joking
it.
at all. She was like, "You think you're the hero of this class? I am the heroine."
Yeah,
She
like
had
in
the
a
chin
minute,
up and everything. Just like, I'm the heroine.
like in a minute, she would reveal her Aaj Kira. And do the dance step something.
Yeah.
But-
But then what really sealed her aura to me was she was very nice to me when I was in first year of law school. She gave me like multiple chance to come up to the stage and explain cases.
Oh.
She saw that I was hesitant, but
Girl, I was there when she called you.
Oh.
I don't think it was to encourage you. She called you because she was trying to see whether you can explain it or not. Because I remember the
but
class.
it
okay?
encouraged me. Okay, it's
you
not the
are
journey;
so
it's the
optimistic.
destination.
She asked everybody to read the case law and then come and explain. So everybody in the class is just trying to hide their face.
Oh yeah, they were looking
This
down.
madam, I was sitting with Onigiri. I was also trying to hide my face, and then Miss Onigiri was so free, and then she was of no fear. She had no fear at all, and she was just looking
the room
everywhere.
was full of all my aura.
Yeah, she
What
was
aura?
lost.
I was meant spreading my aura.
Oh my god. She was, I don't know, I think she was zoning out at that time.
Yeah.
And then ma'am took, like, she was like, okay, she is my target, and she told her to come and explain, which she did because she had read the case, which
Oh,
was
you
a
did?
good, yeah. She explained, but then she targeted her. Okay,
Yeah.
she thought she does not know anything because she was zoning out, and she took it in a way that she was encouraging her.
Oh. Yeah, so you were basically a victim.
Oh.
But you came out a winner.
Yeah, I think this is the unapproachable aura.
But she has very different ways of encouraging people.
Yeah, it's like, then, oh my god, this ma'am na, it was my first day
Oh, yeah.
of college, and for the first day my dad had dropped me.
Oh yeah.
He came with me
Oh,
to the
wow, her dad is
college.
a sweetie. He came all the way to the class. He came to the classroom.
Yeah,
Oh, I remember he was so cute.
so it was elections time that day. that day.
Elections are a ruckus.
And then they did a whole aarti, okay, when I was coming, and it
Like
was on
your
the
aarti?
entrance. Yeah, like my aarti on the entrance. And
You
my
are a
dad was
goddess,
with me.
see?
And my dad was also shocked. "Ki, what is happening? This is the first day. Is this how they welcome freshers?"
Yeah, what is this North Indian thing?
Yeah. But later we
North
knew that
Indians.
it was like
These North Indians and gods.
oh my god.
Let's not go there.
Okay.
Let's not go there.
Oh my god, why did I laugh out loud?
What is this?
I didn't laugh.
Side eye.
Side eye.
I'm a very secular person.
But then we got to know later that it was election, so that is why that happened. So then I came with my dad to the I think our class was in first floor. We came and then I saw the room number and all. It was the same class, but I was a bit confused. Ki class was already going on, and then I was just looking into the class, and there were like four or five students in the class.
Oh.
And then I was speaking, and then the ma'am came. I was speaking for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then ma'am came out because the students were looking at me.
Oh.
So then when ma'am came out, she asked me, yes, and I was like, ma'am, first year, this section, is it in this class?
Yeah.
And then ma'am was like, what room number? And I said the room number.
136.
Arey.
Was it 136?
Yes, I
Okay,
remember.
136. And then I said 136. And then she said, what room is this? And I was like, I looked up. And then I said 136. And she was like, then enter. What the?
And your dad is standing there.
My dad is standing
Oh,
right
wow.
there, okay? And she did that in front of my dad. She did not even think that I'm standing with my dad. Because most teachers are like lenient when you're standing with your
it's in
parents.
general only when you meet like a dad or your
And I was
parents.
like,
Oh my God.
Arey, who is this? Yaar, I just got an Aarti invitation niche and you're doing this to me. And I was like, okay, ma'am. And then I told my dad that I'm leaving. And then my dad was like, my dad told the ma'am, ki, ma'am, we have come from a far place. We have come from Hyderabad. So please take care of her. You know what she said to my dad? She said, Hyderabad is in India only, na?
Arey.
I was like, what? Oh my god, this woman.
She has no inhibitions, guys.
Yeah.
But I love her so much. Like I think she's the type of person to give like tough love. Meaning she doesn't tell you. She brings you to the answer.
Yeah.
It's like, what room is this?
Oh my god.
Enter.
Yeah.
But who
she
does
was like,
that?
you might be goddess at the college gate. I am the goddess at this gate.
Yes.
I am the only heroine here.
I'm the heroine.
So
of
that
this.
was my first encounter with her, okay? After that, she started noticing me like really well. And whenever she was teaching me and all, she's noticing me. I can see that in her.
You know what? Another person who I think has that unapproachable aura. Like, I think Jaya Bachchan, guys.
Oh, wow.
Like that video of her. Do you remember?
But like not in a good unapproachable aura, guys. It's
She's
like
a weird.
But she's a bit weird, but like I live for that video where she said, ये कोई जगह है सवाल पूछने
ये
का?"
कोई जगह है ये सवाल पूछने का?
अभी recently, like a guy came and he was clicking a picture with her. And she
She-
did not notice.
yeah.
She pushed her. She punched her like literally punched her elbow, and he was a bit like, "Oh, what happened?"
Yeah,
And
she
pushed
punched him.
behind.
oh my, I don't want to be clubbed into the same.
And she was like, क्या है
Aura
ये?
category,
क्या है ये?
yeah.
She was like that. She was
Yeah.
literally shouting at him.
Yeah. So like guys, this is also unapproachable aura, but this is not the
This
one
is-
we are.
yeah.
This is
telling
not
you.
the one we're endorsing, guys.
This
is
is
not the one-
violent, unapproachable.
Yeah, this
aura.
is stupidity aura only.
Yeah.
We totally give it away.
We to we wouldn't want this. We are very like, plus who do we think? Who else? I think
Are you know that guy, that idiot guy from our college, the one with the curly hair? Guys, there is this other guy from our college.
now we are describing weird, unapproachable.
No, we are
auras.
trying to separate that these are not the ones.
Okay.
Like Jaya Bachchan is definitely not the one.
Yeah.
The teacher is definitely not the one.
Yeah.
Then this guy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh my God.
there's this guy who puts his back on the beside where he sits,
Like
so
on
that
a two-bench chair.
yeah, on a
two-person chair.
2-person chair, he puts his bag beside him and he wears a mask, and then he says ki I have cold, don't sit near me. And then I found out that the reason is because he thinks that normal people are disgusting, and he said I might be infected with it.
Ugh, I hate him.
And then this guy, he's
I
I
roll.
just hate him.
I roll.
I roll.
I roll. If you hear my eyes, then he told me that he loved cleanliness so much. He loved everything clean. So if he sees like a dustbin being on the ground, then he would pick it up, which is good. Okay,
Yeah.
that far is good. But then he said he liked clean toilets as well.
Yeah.
So
Which is okay.
Everybody
which
likes
is
clean
okay.
toilets.
Huh, I like
but
it.
let's listen to his extent of clean toilets.
Yeah,
Okay.
which is almost like a fetish thing. And then he
What, is
said,
he licking the toilet?
Worse than that. After college, whenever like the people have gone classes, then he will check each toilet. He goes into each toilet, each stall, and flushes every toilet in each room, and he's on a flushing spree.
What?
Flushing spree.
He flushes every toilet.
Yes.
For what? Is he using?
No.
Like
No,
he
no,
uses,
no.
he
He's
wants
just
to use like a little pee in
No.
no. He just
He's
loves
just
the toilet
flushing.
so much that
For
he
what?
flushes.
So that it's clean.
this. Huh?
Yeah. Can you imagine this?
But like
What?
shout
Like
out
after a class, he would
Yes.
go.
Not after a class.
after
the college
people have
ends.
gone.
After people have gone, then nobody's there to use it. He's going into the guy's washroom and flushing every toilet one by one.
What? What? Does it make any sense?
Exactly! Why is he even doing this? And he says he loves cleanliness.
It would have been better had it been leaking only.
Yeah.
What?
He's just flushing every toilet one
Arey,
by
this
one.
is
Yeah.
some next level stupidity.
Yeah, and he's wasting water as
And
well.
he's not even doing it in a funny way. He's doing it in a way that it's making him feel satisfied that it's clean. He's very serious about it, okay?
Arey, this
It's not
was some
funny.
Next level OCD.
He flushes
Exactly.
and says,
Oh my god.
Why does it sound like a fart?
He has flushing orgasms.
Oh,
"Flishgasm."
gasm. Same time.
And this supposedly clean guy, I've seen his sneakers. They're very dirty. They've been unwashed for at least 2 months, I can say.
What?
Because the base of the white, the rubber sole, it was like brown only.
Ugh.
So
Not so hygienic.
not so hygienic. So he only wants a clean butt only.
Are you sure he's flushing with his hands only, or is he like with
Stomping
his
down.
sneaker?
Ew.
Is that where the brown comes from?
Oh, by the way, do you do this when you go to a public washroom
Yeah.
and the seat is on?
Yeah.
How do you lift the seat?
Arey,
I lift it with my leg, guys.
if there,
Oh.
I'm like flexing my leg and lifting the seat.
The number of times that I've went to a public washroom and I've seen shoe prints on the seats, yeah. People
Yeah.
are full on squatting. But I don't blame them.
On the seat?
Yes, I've seen shoe prints on the seats.
What?
Yes.
That is funny.
I thought you might be the type of person who is squatting.
No, not on the seat. When the seat is closed, na.
Yeah.
So I
The
have to
lid is
open. The
closed.
lid is closed,
Oh.
and I have to open it. So I don't want to touch it
Yeah.
with my hands. So I use my legs to lift the lid up.
Oh, wow.
Very. One day our aura will be strong enough that the seed lifts itself.
Oh my god. That's too much, okay?
Okay, so this is the level of delusion you have to get on to,
Oh my
to get an
God.
unapproachable aura. But if there is a tissue paper or something available, then so I lift it with that. But mostly
Yeah.
in Indian toilets, nobody's putting tissue paper.
Exactly.
So you have to be creative.
Yeah, that is why my leg thing works.
But actually, I've not found a lid closed toilets.
Yeah.
You don't?
Yeah. Just the seat.
That's the seat.
The seat is
Oh.
out.
I think mostly
Oh.
because guys don't pull the seat up or something, no?
No, it's not the seat. I'm
No,
talking
even
about
the
the lid.
seat, even the seats, they don't really make contact. They can just stand and be like, oh, will you?
But they dirty it.
You
Yeah.
mean the bigger the hole, the better.
Actually, the
That's not what
opposite.
she said.
Actually, the opposite. But one thing is, I want to now put a caveat that being unapproachable does not mean nobody will ever approach you. You can manipulate your aura, you can at least control your aura in the way when you want opportunities or when you want people approaching you, you can get that.
Yeah, you turn off your aura.
Yeah, like say if I'm in a class and I want an opportunity from a teacher that I want this, like there is a debate or something, then I can simply make myself look as the perfect candidate to it.
Yeah.
Does that mean you're manipulating a unapproachable aura the whole time?
Mm,
I don't think so. It's more like you don't want to have this unwanted attention or interaction with anybody. So you just are in your unapproachable aura. And then
yeah.
when you want to talk to, because if you are having this aura all the time, you'll never get any opportunity only. You'll not go and talk to anybody, you'll not go and talk to any teacher.
It's more like the aura is natural, but you can put some effort to like slow it down or like reduce it so
Yeah.
that you get the opportunities you need.
You know what? Actually, I've been seeing news articles about the Gen Z stare.
We are the Gen Z.
Yeah, exactly. So the millennials are the one writing this article,
Uh,
obviously. They're
okay,
like,
a little diversion, I know. What is up with millennials? Why are they obsessed with Gen Z?
I don't
Every new article,
know.
everything I read, Gen Z this, Gen Z
Gen
that.
Z this, Gen Z apology this, Gen Z resignation letter
They're
that,
just jealous,
Gen Z
okay?
Exactly.
email this.
That they didn't have the opportunity to do all
Not
that.
they didn't have the balls. Actually, they're very severe people pleasers,
Exactly,
millennials.
Yeah.
exactly.
So
Everything they put out is just a display of a personality they want to portray.
so they actually think like working hard is the way to success.
Ah,
Like being the earliest to the job, being the latest to go back home.
that is the biggest scam, I
That
tell
is
you.
the biggest scam, and Gen Z are just not accepting that, okay?
Yeah, we will say that I want work-life balance. Give it to me. I will not work on a Sunday. Why should I
Huh.
work on a Sunday?
Yeah, millennials have these unsaid rules inside of them, which they will
Yeah,
follow, and they will want the others also to follow the same rules. But Gen Z are like, what are these unsaid rules? We'll question them, we'll ask them, we'll ask what we want.
like
Yeah.
what happened in Nepal? They just pushed the Gen
Oh
Z
my
thing.
god.
They just tagged it Gen Z because they were like, we want them to be known as destructive.
Yes.
Like there were many people. It was
Yeah.
majorly the Gen Z, but there were Gen Alpha also. There were
Yes.
millennials also.
Yes.
But they just like highlight the Gen Z and turn it into a Gen Z revolution.
Yes.
Yeah. And Gen Z are also becoming known as the generation who gives compliments without a smile. They're like,
Yeah,
you're working it. And then
yeah.
they just go in a bar. They approach the girls, especially. They come up to older women and they're like, you know what you're doing. And then she goes.
Oh.
Yeah, and the
I
older
didn't
woman
know.
is telling a story about this, and I'm like, yeah, that's what we would do.
I think we as a generation are not really up for the crab. We are just like so done with it that let's just talk about the real thing. We know
Yeah,
you
like
don't mean
get
it.
to the point,
Get to the point
please.
to
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
Like, can we just drop this drama of all this fluff? Just tell us what it is. We don't want all this
Formality
formalities
thing.
and all. Gen Z is much more straightforward. We are much more straightforward. I think this happened because of COVID. Because in COVID, all of us, especially the Gen Z, because that is the formative years we had. We saw like nothing makes sense and nothing is real.
Hmm.
Anything can go out in a puff. Like we see people around us like not surviving the disease or people just dying so randomly. Migrants, the crisis that happened, we saw them walking. So everything, it is all just made up. It is not real. Like even if you have the biggest house or the biggest car, it does not matter.
Yeah, and I've seen me getting 90% on every subject, like by just attending online classes. And I'm
Yeah,
like, this university grades are not real.
exactly.
Yeah, so you can just do what needs to be done. You can leave everything back. Just chill. Just do
Yeah.
what you need to do.
So what really matters is what you experience in the moment or largely. What matters is that you live a happy life because this sustenance that oh
Mm.
I will be happy when I have the biggest house is all made up. You will never be happy like that.
Yeah.
Mm.
Setting standards like you'll be happy when you achieve this, you'll be
Yeah,
happy when you get that. But it's not that true. You are happy
exactly.
just in the
Hmm.
process. The process
Yeah,
is what makes you
Yeah,
happy.
but then I think like we are branching out into this individualism thing pretty hard actually.
to a
Yeah.
certain
We are
extent,
quite
yes.
individualists this generation. It's like me. Like if I'm happy, then it's okay. Let the others.
Yeah, we
Especially
don't.
in customer service, they don't give a fuck.
Yeah, it's not anymore कि चार लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Nobody gives a fuck about चार लोग. We
yeah.
are the चार लोग.
Like
If
for
I'm
the
happy.
millennial generation, the biggest benchmark or the biggest achievement that oh I followed my passion.
Yes.
But for Gen Z, it's like why would I do something that I'm not passionate about?
Exactly.
Like even if I am passionate about But playing a guitar on the street, which is a very questionable choice to begin with.
Yeah.
But if that is your passion, then kudos. Like,
Yeah, cool.
cool, go with
Yeah.
it. I don't want to be friends with you, but go with it.
But it's also like, see, Gen Z has, they have passion, but they have it every week. So they change it every week. But if you're changing it every week, how will you
Yeah, we
achieve
are a bit
anything?
fickle like that.
Yeah, so the consistency is what we have to learn from the millennials, because if they decide on something, they're very consistent about it
Yeah.
throughout their life, and that is
Yeah.
how they became all these big millionaires and stuff. But Gen Z is like, they have this passion inside them, but it dies very quickly.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
like
the
their attention span
the
is
attention
only till
span is
like 10 seconds of a reel, just like that.
yes,
Like I remember when
the industrial revolution and its impact in 2025.
in 2025. But I remember when millennial was all the fad that, oh, we have to understand this generation. What are their things? They want work-life balance. They want they want to wear casuals in office. Like that was rebellious at a point of time.
Hmm.
But now though we are like, why would I wear something so uncomfortable which would not be good to me or something?
Alright, I think there are pros and cons in both. See, Gen Z is demanding that they want to be comfortable when they're working, but also if they give them the freedom to come in form like casuals, they would be too casual. Like, accept the fact they would be too casual, especially in Delhi. I've seen ki people are going in these the fashion icon outfits
Yeah.
to work. Arey, who would take them seriously, yaar? You're going to get customers and then you're going in this full on diva mode.
But like,
Yeah.
if they do their
With
work,
your
who
Louis
cares,
Vuitton, which you
yeah?
bought from Sarojini.
Who cares if someone dress up if they do their work? I don't see the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to be so formal and all. Even if you have the mind for it, and you are good at your job, then go that way. But I don't trust millennials are so good at their job, okay?
Yeah.
They
Most of it is just a fad.
Yeah, even if they are very good at their job, they would have like some common things which they're doing, but they
Not really innovating.
but they're changing their personality every now and then.
Yeah.
How is there anything that they can be trusted for? So that is why these demands from them is
But
just
what you say, I truly agree with the degree thing.
yes.
Because if we think of it, degree must have been made as a point of qualifier. That okay, now I have gained all this knowledge, so I have a degree. But with time, degree has become the roadblock where you may not have the knowledge, but you can still get the degree.
Yes.
And even if you have the knowledge, you may not have the degree, so you cannot pursue the thing.
Yeah.
So
So
it has like the purpose has really turned upside down,
Yeah.
and what it was meant to, it has gone the other way.
What happened?
Train.
The train is passing, guys.
There, where we are recording, it's really close to a railway track, and whenever the train passes, I have like palpitations, and I become like almost like a 9-year-old schoolgirl who is dancing. And like, oh, train, train, train.
So I was watching this movie Madrashi.
yeah.
Okay, Madrashi.
Madrashi.
Are I don't remember she or something, but it was Madharashi, okay.
Oh,
So in which the male lead has lost his the whole family to a very horrible accident when he was young. So he has this trauma where he hallucinates if anybody is in trouble, if anybody is in wants attention, like medical attention, or they've hurt themselves, something like that. He thinks of themselves, the people who are hurt, as his family.
oh.
He hallucinates as if they are my family, she's my mom, so I will go and help. And he will literally go and help and call her my mom. Let's go. And he will like carry her to the hospital.
Is he like a doctor?
Oh.
No, he's like a normal person only. He's working in an IT company.
Doctors are all abnormal.
That's a hallucination everyone should have.
Yeah, which is a good hallucination.
Yeah, that is, yeah, we are calling it hallucination, is just humanity.
And then
Oh my god.
But it's array. It was really bad. Okay, that developed so bad that he would become very very aggressive.
Oh.
So when he sees somebody beaten up, he would get so aggressive that how dare you beat my dad up, and he would beat the person who is beating to death.
Oh, and then he's like, "How did you kill my dad?" And then he would beat himself.
No, no, no. He would be like, I took revenge.
In the mirror.
In the middle.
So he was taking medications to calm that down. He would become
Ah.
like an animal only. Okay.
Oh.
So in the movie,
This is a feminist podcast. We don't mention animal here.
Arre. So in the movie, they're trying to bring guns into Tamil Nadu so that they bring the gun culture to Tamil Nadu.
So basically, illegal gun.
Illegal guns. So because if somebody has a gun and they shoot you, the other person would want to protect himself and then he would also buy a gun. So that is what they were going
Okay,
for.
that's
Oh.
the thing in Mirzapur, na?
Yeah, a bit.
So it's like
so
that.
they wanted like Tamil Nadu to become like America.
What the heck?
It's actually everything is
So-
legal there.
Yeah.
So this NIA, they wanted that to stop. Now they want to. Their mission was to send us like a. They wanted to blast the factory itself.
So it was like a suicide mission.
Yes. So for that they wanted a guy who would commit suicide. But the NIA does not want to send their own guys because they've already lost a lot of people in this mission. So then they found.
This is a 3 joint script.
Yeah, it's actually
you
very-
can't write this script normally.
I know, right?
The writer must be high as fuck.
I don't know. Then the guy who has this hallucination ka disorder,
Uh,
he wanted to commit suicide because his love left him.
Oh.
They broke up, and she was the only person he could count on,
oh.
like as family, and she was really good to him and all. So he was like, I want to die. So he was like jumping from bridges. He was jumping from hospital and all.
But he
So-
didn't die.
But he didn't die. So he was hired by this NIA agency for being the suicide bomber. Okay. They sent him to the place. You know what he did? He heard the guy who was the main mafia who was carrying this
Like the
gun
big
culture.
boss.
Yeah, the boss. But he was drunk as fuck. And then
The
he was
boss?
Yeah, the boss. He was drunk, and then this hero, he was like, "Oh shit, he's hurt. How can I leave him here?" Well, he
What?
is the guy who's the villain. Okay, you are supposed to leave him there. Then he was like, "How can I leave him in this condition?" And then his disorder kicked in. He thought he's his brother, so he was like, "Okay, I will save you, bro." You
What?
know what he does? He burns the factory and he takes the villain out. He brings the villain out.
What is this story?
What
It's
is
so
this?
it's
Okay,
oh
so this
my
is where the
God.
4th joint was rolled.
So this is like a whole thing. The movie is just I don't know something only.
It makes no sense.
But the point is, they
Yes.
hired. Let's
Let me-
come
Please.
to the point. The point is, the
Half
guy.
the audience has left us already.
I'm sorry, guys. The narration was so long.
The ones who stayed at a real one.
Yeah. The 2 people listening to it,
It's you and me.
it's you and me.
So the NIA wala captain or commander, whoever he's called, he said ki no, we don't want you anymore. But the guy, he said ki, see, I know I don't have the degree or qualification for this role, but what I have is, why do you hire dogs for sniffing any illegal products in an airport? Why do you use dogs? Because they have animal instinct. And that is the instinct you saw in me, and that is why you hired me to do this job. That will work out for you,
Oh,
which
wow.
you guys don't have with qualification. It is inbuilt in me.
The point was a kilometer away. The point was a kilometer away.
Like, this is you told an epic in a pod.
That too for such a flawed logic.
Yeah.
We use dogs
What
not
is
because
this?
of animal instinct,
Then,
because they have the best noses.
Arre,
Animal
that
is- Animal instinct is in the donkey also. You are not using them to sniff.
Arre, but why do you hire the dogs? Because they have good noses, na? So
Yeah.
if
That is not
humans
animal
don't have
instinct.
Oh my! This
That is not animal instinct.
It's so. This is a South Indian movie only. They stab people
Oh
with
my
bananas. Okay. They kill people with bananas. They stir up tornadoes with their toes like this.
We are a bit too far with
They
the.
throw hearts into operator theater
Oh
where they
yeah.
land exactly where the heart is.
Inside the
And then
heart.
they start
And then,
beating.
and then it blinks.
Yeah.
Oh
Like
my
physically
god.
blinks in red, green, and blue color.
Yeah.
Like fairy lights.
That heart is so long. You know? It was like this thing.
And
Yeah, like the person who made it, they didn't even put in the effort. He just googled POP model of art near me and bought it from some flea market.
Arre, some
Copy
movies are
paste.
so bad. If you go back to like some 90s ka movies, you know, they have like they're just introduced to graphic designing. So there would be some scene where a guy is shooting the hero, but the hero just disappears out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, he just disappears. And we're like, where is he? Where is he? And he's standing behind him, shooting,
Oh,
pointing a gun at the villain.
The most epic scene I have ever seen of a South Indian movie is where
Where?
this hero, it's the same scene, okay, where he kills multiple people,
Yes.
but the way he kills them,
Yeah.
he has to kill two villains and he has only one bullet left. So what he does, as he shoots, he throws a knife at the bullet
And
the
it
bullet
splits.
splits into two and then it kills the two villains. So the knife travels faster than the bullet, splits the bullet and kills the two.
Yeah.
In another one, the same hero, he wants to kill somebody and he does not have any weapon. So there is a chicken walking by.
Oh.
A chicken, like
Okay.
an actual chicken. So he picks up the chicken, stretches it
Oh.
to the extent that it becomes like a sword.
Huh?
And the beak is like an extension, like a nail in the sword. And then he beats the villain from it. And then he beats the villain from it and kills the villain with a chicken. Pak pak
Oh
pak up.
my god.
Oh my. So the most preposterous story is it's not action based. There is action, but that's not what I find the most preposterous. It's like this guy. He is like he came to this lady and he's like a knight on with a white knight with a shining armor and everything. He enamored all her family. Everyone likes him and all. Then suddenly after the girl's family accepted him and then let their guard down, he
Hmm.
killed all of them.
Hmm?
Yeah, he killed all of the girl's family, and the girl is like, "Why did you kill my family?" Ah, da, da, da. And then it was when he revealed. Then he revealed that
He was on
your
a mission.
no, yeah, like on a revenge mission. The girl's family, the brothers, the father, and all, they killed my girl, my first girl. They killed my girl and her family and everything. So I'm taking revenge on your family by pretending to love you, and then I'm killing all your family.
Oh my
And the
god.
girl accepts it. She's like, that makes sense. Yeah, she didn't get angry after that.
I think I know this film, yaar. I think I know this.
I'm like,
The girl says it makes
yeah, so she nods. She nods.
She's like,
the
"You're
guy is-
morally right."
Oh my
the guy
god.
was standing on a balcony and looking into the horizon and saying all this, and the girl is like a meter behind him. Like
Yeah.
usually they like, why do you do this? This is this, and then after he said all this story, he's like, this is me
Understandable.
nodding. Yeah, understandable. Have a good day.
What
Did
is
it? That was like the first time I thought ki, arey, some movies are flawed. You know, when you're a kid, you like every movie you've ever
Yeah,
watched.
yeah.
But that movie, I was like, wait, this is so wrong. I would never do that if I were the girl. And I was like, that was quite feminist of me. That was when I thought. I mean, that was what I thought back then. But it's
How
common
long back?
sense.
How long back was this?
Class 5. Maybe?
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Yeah, it was just so stupid.
So guys, actually the point is that these movies are meant to generate critical thinking in the masses.
Oh yes.
Yeah, because these are so ridiculous that the person must feel
Oh.
that the writer is absolute idiot, the director is
How
high as
did I
fuck.
never think of this?
This is for critical thinking.
This is for critical thinking. It
Yeah.
has sharpened my
Yeah.
Oh my
critical
We are
God.
winning back all the South Indian audience now.
So animal also. What is this? So
This is-
animal is also critical thinking.
That is the most feminist movie. When you see, you are supposed to get so angry that you slap the next guy you see.
Arre.
Yeah, that's the logic. Why do you not see
Then I
it?
should be slapping you only.
Yeah, let's slap him. Come. Even talking about this is making my blood boil.
Uh,
Oh,
there's this
okay.
absolutely lovely stand-up by Srija Chaturvedi. I don't know if you've seen it, where she talks about animal,
Yes.
and it is so nice.
Shout out
Shout
Shrija.
out
I love
Srija.
you so much. Shrija, you come to me. Shrija, I will kiss you, Shrija.
Oh,
Oh.
God. Okay, let's calm down. She's getting married. By the time this episode releases, she would
Yeah.
already be married.
She would be married. Oh my god, I'm so happy for her. I'm just wiping my tears, guys. Oh,
Okay, so we have diverted too far from
what
the
is
original
this?
topic. Yeah, like millennial hating can be done any day.
Yes.
It's in my blood.
It's in my blood. Those pretentious fuckers must be
Arre,
hated
we
on.
equally hate Gen Z also.
Yeah. No,
We
but
are.
I think I don't hate Gen Z. I'm just like, I might be irritated by us a little, like the people around us, the Gen Z. But I'm like,
But at
you
least
do
like
you.
we're in the same state of mind in a
Yeah.
way.
Like, I
Like
know I might
level.
disagree with you, but I understand that you might think that way.
It's the same for millennials also then.
No, I though don't. For millennials, though I don't.
We'll discuss
Yeah.
this later only.
If there is any millennial listening to this, we would love to hear your arguments in our comments, which we will block then.
Also, the millennial ka work ethic, we clearly see in the junior associates
Oh,
that we
yes.
worked with.
Oh, yes.
That is like the finest point that I can make
Yeah.
of a finest millennial example
Of how shitty they are.
of how shitty they are and also
Yeah.
how ass sucking they are.
Yeah.
So why are we discussing all this? What's the point? What's the conclusion of all this?
We diverted to millennial hate.
Shit. Sorry guys, this is a diversion podcast only.
Oh,
we
we
divert a
should call
lot.
this the diverted
Yeah.
diverted eyes.
It's the bullet. Then it cut into half.
You will cut into half. Half
One
point.
went to unapproachable.
One
went
into
to
Gen
Gen Z
millennial
and
hate and
millennial.
Gen Z.
Oh my god.
And the knife is the pot.
Yes.
Yeah. But we were talking about unapproachable aura.
Yes.
What do you think are the pros and cons of this unapproachable aura? Because now we have sold it to the audience.
I think
And they are
first.
all craving it.
Yes.
I know there must be some audience members
Yes.
whose kachi would be wet right now hearing about this.
No,
Oh
no,
my.
no.
Oh my god. Also, Salt has educated me about Kachi. I didn't know what Kachi was like 2 weeks back.
Would you like to educate our audience also?
What is kachi?
Kachi is the thing that you wear the closest to your genitals.
That is the
Oh.
most disgusting description I've ever heard. You can simply say underwear or
Okay.
underwear.
She was trying not to
Yeah.
be gross, but then she went to
When-
somewhere else.
Closest to your genitals.
Genital.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
that's a pad.
What?
What?
Uh,
Uh,
but no, what are the pros and cons of
let's
unapproachable?
first discuss the cons.
Cons. See, you
Mhm.
do miss out on some opportunities because if people are not approaching you, there must be some good people also who feel a bit threatened and don't approach
Not
I don't think
threaten.
it's
Threaten
opportunities,
is not a
yaar.
good word.
you. It is.
But though our circle is definitely small for
Small.
sure,
Yeah.
and I think we also have like something. This is a con. We are not very welcoming
Yeah.
of outsiders because like we are too into the zone, na?
So we might feel a bit like it is a bit difficult to just familiarize in a new situation. Like if we are interning for a month or we are going out like in a new setting, in a new office or in a new classroom or something, then we may not as easily gel in with the people over
Yeah,
there.
it's
No,
it's
that's
also
true. That
like we find it difficult to talk to other people that way. It's like we obviously don't like small talks, so it's very difficult to initiate a jolly conversation with any
like
stranger.
we expect understanding which we
Yes.
don't easily get
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
unless
you
it's
can't go
within
to a
ourselves.
person and randomly say, Did your father hit you?
What?
We
You
don't
don't
do
say
that
that
with
to
anybody.
anyone.
Exactly.
Salt.
What is this salt? So the con is like you, even if you want to, for example, my roommate, I've been very unapproachable with my past roommate, but with the recent roommate, I like her, but it's very difficult for me to strike a conversation with her.
Yeah.
And it's also like, even if she strikes a conversation with me, I'm only just replying to her and not like taking the conversation to a further distance. It's like she's talking to me and I'm replying, and
For the
that's all.
distance
For
level.
a level, yeah. What is this? So I
She is
cannot.
just stuck on the bullet now.
Yeah. So it's like it's difficult for me to start a conversation with any stranger now.
Yeah.
I feel very awkward to talk to, and then there is also a
Also,
thought.
like when you are talking to somebody or somebody approaches you, they get awkward, and then you are getting this second-hand awkwardness from them.
Oh yeah.
Like when they're like, you are like,
And
like
it's
what?
also because
That big boss woman who said Pooja.
But Sheeto is a little crazy only. If you see her, she's abusing,
She's
right?
entertaining, but I would not like to be next to her.
Yeah,
that's for
she's
sure.
abusing right, left, and center on her Instagram.
With
Like giving the
her,
wildest of the abuses.
with her bell size hoops, yeah.
Yeah.
that is what I was trying to tell ki if I want to be friends with her, but the aura I give is like she feels maybe she's not interested, so let's just not talk to her. So the most she tries with me is she asks me 3 questions, and then I answer them, and then she tells me something, and then I'm like, oh yeah, okay, and then
Yeah.
that's where the conversation ends.
You do not give back questions.
Yeah,
I've noticed that
maybe.
with you.
But even if I give questions, I don't know. I don't know how to prolong the conversation here. With
Yeah.
strangers, though, it's very hard for me. Maybe the
You are
aura
you are
is.
sitting on a pot, and it must be around an hour now, and
Arre,
you
this
don't
is
know how to
big
prolong
because
conversation.
this is friends, na.
This is
With
a
friends, I
safe
can talk to
space.
for hours, but with strangers, it's very very difficult for me.
Yeah.
I find it maybe because this aura has taken over me now.
Yeah.
That I'm just not able to converse only.
I found myself like rushing to end the conversation with
Yeah.
people. Like I'm leaning on it. I'm like,
Yes. Every time I'm in a new location where I want to be somebody who's starting the conversation,
Yeah.
I imagine my alter ego. I'm like, you come in now, you talk. Now it's not the unapproachable vinegar now. It's the jolly vinegar. Let's
Yeah.
come out. And then
Apple
she
cider
takes over.
vinegar.
And then she takes over and then she talks.
So you are basically faking it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I have noticed this a lot. Whenever she is talking to a person, she wants some information out of. Like if she is in a classroom or
Yeah.
she wants to know something, she's smiling unnecessarily.
Yes.
Oh yes, that is somehow creepy. It makes
Yeah.
me uncomfortable. I have to admit.
Like she's just
She
Yeah.
blinks slowly and she smiles ear to ear.
Yeah.
like what? Why are you doing that?
Because that is my alter ego, okay? It's trying to please people
Please kill
and
it.
talk to them.
Please kill it.
Kill
No,
it.
but then if I don't have it, how will I talk to
At
anybody?
least kill the smile.
Array, if I kill the smile, I would seem very rude because I have this very bitchy resting face, which makes people think that I'm not interested in them at all.
Which you are not.
But I am sometimes, so I have to fake it.
So
Yeah.
that's
Maybe I'm faking it to another level.
Yeah.
and you're faking it very unsuccessfully.
Exactly.
So yeah, these are the cons which make us lose. I think it's mostly about losing opportunities and losing some great experiences.
Yeah, but
True,
at the same
true.
point, this is the pro also, because if you are losing maybe some great experience, you are also losing a lot of shitty experiences. You are avoiding a lot of bullshit from people.
Array, but what is that giving you? I mean, it can be as a pro.
It is a pro.
You're saving it. You're saving yourself from a lot of gossips around you, but also it's almost like you're saving yourself from gossip. But what would really happen if they're gossiping about you? Is it really affecting you?
No, I'm not saying that they should not gossip about me, but I don't want to be involved. I'm saving myself the headache.
Yeah, but just like the girl who
But you
was
like
in our
gossip.
Not that much, yaar. A little.
When
Little.
I'm not the subject.
Well, I'm not the subject. Arey, gossip to. But these people are also very fake, na? Like when I think I told you this. When on our exam day, we like on our exam days, the two of you have a different center,
yes,
and I have a different center. So
yes.
we meet at this midpoint,
Hmm.
arts faculty in our college.
Yeah.
Shout out Delhi University.
Yes.
Give me my degree.
Shout out Vivekananda.
Vivekananda.
Vivekananda
Who is the
statue.
statue?
Shout out statue.
You were there.
You were there. I was standing over there, and a group from our class was also hanging around. I think they were also waiting from someone from your center only. So I reached there early, and I was just waiting, sweating in Delhi's summer.
Oh
Yes.
yes.
And I was like, oh, what am I doing? I'm wasting time. And then they were also standing there. So like, okay, let me go sweat with them.
Let's go sweat it out.
Let's sweat together. So I went there and I was talking to them. So they were already in a conversation. So I also went there and
So
then
this group is from our class only.
yeah,
Okay.
first year.
Okay.
So I went there and I was talking to them, and they were also like, yeah. And then those bitches started bitching about a friend of theirs who was coming with you actually.
Okay.
And the level of bitching, like they went like really under the belt and shit like that. Oh, she's a slut actually. She would go out with that guy, and what is this she doing? And I'm like,
And this was a close friend.
yeah, and I'm like, but these people are always so friendly with that girl.
Oh.
Yeah, like they were the best of the friends. And they are saying such shit about each other behind
That
their
was an
backs.
act? Was
Yeah.
that an act that they were so friendly?
And it's like they want a friend group.
Yeah. So they're just doing that for the sake of having a company, not really forming that bond.
Oh my god.
They did not labor for that friendship.
Yeah. So there I feel that oh, it's better than not having that farce. That is where unapproachable aura comes in handy. That you don't fall into this pretense of a friendship.
That's true, yeah.
That is true. Yeah, and even also if we are like if you're really close to this people, not even close, you're just friendly with them. There is this culture here that in Delhi that they go to parties and stuff. So, but you are not in the mood for a party. So you cannot deny, but you have to force yourself to go. So you're saving yourself from that also. Unnecessary socializing in the party where you don't know half the people.
Okay, so now I must ask this question. Are we just delusional? Do we actually have an unapproachable aura?
I think we have an aura.
But there are so many such stories where we have been actually approached without we wanting it. Like,
But they're very see if you compare it with other people who don't have this aura, it's very less, okay. The ratio would be like 1:9.
Arey,
So we don't have it. We don't get approached. Especially maybe Onigiri seems. Let me tell the listeners, Onigiri looks very kind.
Oh,
She has this. She has this.
I don't think
appearance-
kind.
She
I
looks
think I
like-
look naive.
she looks like the cat woman.
What? No, she
That-
looks
that-
like a person.
Not
who would-
cat woman, the woman who would have 9 cats in her house.
Ah, yeah.
That cat woman
With the thick sweaters.
with the thick
Yeah.
sweater.
She looks like a person who would be willing to help you. So that is
Also-
why people approach her.
Also, like I'm from the northeast region, so people from the northeast region have have a history of being gullible when they first come to Delhi and all.
Let's
so
not
I
be
look,
racist.
No,
Arey, but it's
true.
fact. It's the statistics only.
Like the chances of you being scammed if you're not from Delhi are
Yes,
a
yes,
little
yes,
higher.
yes,
Yes.
not from Delhi. So and also ki
Not knowing Hindi as well.
yeah, so it's easy to tell who like to single out. I don't know Hindi, so that might contribute to people approaching me more.
Yeah, so the two comments which are going to come, do this pod in Hindi actually. We can't do this pod in Hindi actually.
We
No.
might. Not
No.
a complete pod. Not a complete pod, but We will include some comments in
Yeah.
Hindi.
Like
Because
yesterday,
Onigiri has been learning a good, like she has improved
yesterday
a
she said
lot.
Dhanyavad.
She has
And
been
today I
improving.
said namaste.
Namaste.
Yes, she said
Yes.
namaste
Yeah,
also.
just like Donald Trump. Namaste, Vivekamunnan.
Whatever.
Dolantram.
But I mean, you know what? Once I was sitting, like, why I got to question my unapproachable aura was once I was sitting in class. It was labor ka class. I think you were sitting next to me when you said why I'm being rude to this girl.
Who do you mean you?
I was sitting in the class. You, Vinegar.
Yes.
I am looking at you
How would the listeners know
How
you're
would
looking
the
at me?
listeners know, yeah?
What is this?
because you answer. So it.
No,
Huh?
you should be telling Vinegar. I was sitting with Vinegar.
I was sitting with you, Vinegar, if you remember, and you said why am I being rude
Yes,
to that girl?
I remember.
I did that girl. She was a duffer, is how I would like to put it. I was simply sitting in the room, and the teacher was not there yet.
Yes.
And she came to me and she said, "Oh, hello, hello. Did you take the class yesterday?" And I was like, "No, I was not present for the class." And then she sat there next to me, and I was like, different row, but like the bench literally, like she was at talking distance to me.
Okay. Okay.
And then she again nudged me.
Yes.
And I was like, what? She's like, so what did he teach yesterday? And I
Yes.
was like, I did not attend the class I just told you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did he ask us to bring any bear act? And I was like, Arey? I just told you I did not attend the class.
Yes.
How many times do I have to bring the question? Same thing up. I did not take the class. They're like, oh, okay, okay. Yeah. What do you think he will teach today? And I was like, what? Are you out of a fucking...
Yeah.
What do you think?
What do you
We're
think?
playing this game
Is this a fucking game?
called guessing the topic.
So clearly I was like, maybe my aura is not working. Why are these dumb
The
fucks
battery was
approaching me?
out that day.
Yeah. You did not recharge. Low
But I
power
was a
mode.
bit angry, like, why am I being approached by such idiots?
Arey, that's common only, yaar.
That
People
made
approach
Saul question
his unapproachable aura.
his
Yeah.
aura. But it happens sometimes. People are some people don't care only.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will approach
But I
anybody.
would want my aura to be strong enough to avoid them also.
That is not possible.
Yeah,
Some
you
people-
cannot
some
be
people-
unapproachable for life.
No, like
obviously
some
yours
some
too,
people
yours
just
are
don't care.
very high.
Some people who are not like affected by the social pressure. Okay, there are some people who are just individualists who are just living out there who don't care about friend groups and all. Those people do they approach anyone only?
Arey, you know this one guy who's very famous. I don't remember his name, but on Instagram he's like, "Hello, dosto."
Priyam Sharma.
Would you
not,
say?
not Priyam
Not
Sharma.
Priyam Sharma.
Some-
No,
some
some
Sharma
the
guy.
guy.
Yeah,
he
he's
comes from
Gurgaon.
UP.
He's
Oh yeah,
He's like,
Gurgaon.
hello, my name is this
Hello,
Sharma.
bhaiyo.
I am from yours.
सब मेरे
Gurgaon."
दोस्त हैं.
He goes randomly to the metro and talk to people.
Like anybody.
Anybody.
And
Like-
he's so funny. He's very, very
The
funny.
first
His
reel I
reels.
saw of him was of Instagram where he's sitting on his principal's
Desk,
desk,
yes.
and there is a protest. So the room is filled with people.
Oh,
Yes.
is it the AC guy? I
He's
know him.
sitting there, and then the people, like the student leaders, are very passionately discussing with
Yes.
each other that we want.
And
this-
they're very serious also.
Yeah. And we want this infrastructure for our college. How are we going to get funds and all?
Yes.
And then he's sitting on the chair, just randomly, and he goes, "Sir, sir, sir."
With his phone.
With his phone recording.
Yeah, with the recording, and then the principal looks at him and like, "Sir, ऐसे."
Sir, ऐसे चला दो.
And then the
So
principal just laughed and
Oh
goes
my
away.
god, that
And
was
then-
so funny. He's
Yeah.
making the serious conversation so funny, yaar. How can he do that?
Also, the way he says it is so
Exactly.
hilarious.
Plus, who has the balls to sit beside the principal and talk to him in that way, with that accent? Sir, sir.
I'm telling you, these people are safe. Okay, their luck is in Jupiter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
maybe.
they're safe. These people.
Yeah, so
They
now our
made
conversation has
everything.
become bullshit. Now that we've brought in astrology, all the scientific journals we have quoted have got to
Anyway,
shit.
I'm just making a point that these people have the strongest luck.
Ah,
They can go anywhere.
And he's so unserious about anything and everything. I saw his reel where he was traveling in a car with his friends, and his friends were listening to music, and nobody was talking to him. So he pulls out his phone, starts recording, and then he rolls down the window, and then he's like on the road, he's calling anybody, and he's like, Namaste bhaiya, mere dost ho na? Friends, and he's just shouting out of the window.
There
His
was a
friends
reel.
are embarrassed as fuck.
There was a reel where they were stuck in a. I think it was only him,
Oh.
and he was stuck in the traffic.
Yeah.
So he got off the car and he is going to random people, or who are also stuck on the traffic. So if there is a motorcyclist,
Yes.
he's going to them like, "और भैया कैसे हो? मजा आ रहा है traffic का?" What the fuck is that?
It is funny, but it's also imagine you being that motorcyclist
I would.
and somebody is
slap
approaching.
Him. I would slap him with all his guts.
And we would be fearing that there would be consequences. What if he gets angry? But that guy, what consequences? What is consequences? So he just approaches anybody.
Yeah.
He's like, yo, bro, how are you?
This is some.
It's a different. Can this also be called unapproachable aura?
No,
He
he's
is
the
very
approaching
approachable.
aura.
He's the most approaching.
No, he is the one approaching.
Yes.
No, but I think
people
everybody
are
would feel very comfortable talking to him. He's not unapproachable.
Yeah,
Why
he's
is
not
it?
unapproachable.
It's like it works differently because it's too approachable. People don't want to be in the video.
No, he's not approaching them in a very, forceful way. He's just making the conversation very jolly that you also try to join in. And you're like, okay, a laugh would be good at this time. So you're just laughing out with him. So he's the opposite of what we have.
Yeah.
He's the most approaching aura ever.
Approachable, most approachable person.
Love that.
He's the best, yaar. Although he's a bit irritating.
So now, so now you guys have to choose. Do you want to be delusional like us and think you have this magical aura which will
Arre.
protect you from bad of the world? Or do you want to be logical?
You can be both.
Yeah.
You can be both just like us.
Yeah.
But we are a 70-30. 70 unapproachable and 30 approachable.
Yeah, so 70 Delulu. 30 we are in our senses.
Yeah.
But now you have to make the choice and do tell us in the comments what do you think about this.
Sure.
This is almost like our thesis paper, guys.
Yes.
We are going to
This is just like point blank throwing everything,
Yeah.
guys.
we are actually going to copyright this. This is our idea, unapproachable aura.
This is our personality.
This is our personality. We are
What?
literally putting ourselves
This is what we are living for.
we are literally putting ourselves on a plate and serving it to you guys to
Yes.
judge us.
Pick out the bones, help us curate our content,
Yeah.
give
Yes.
comments.
Anyway, Onigiri is very good with bones.
Yeah, he means I'm very slim, guys.
No, as in whenever I'm eating some non-vegetarian, she always picks out the
Oh
bones.
yes!
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God.
I
See, this
went
is how you
somewhere
know.
else.
This is how you know they have the gutter brains. Okay.
I was like, what does he mean, Bo?
Yeah, like
I
please
was-
give
The
context.
silence was my answer.
Yeah,
okay?
you guys immediately slipped to boner. I knew you guys. Are
No,
like that.
no.
Arey, you are always making this joke, but like the bones are the best. People in Delhi, people who eat lamb, chicken, you should chew the bones actually.
No, but the,
the
bones
marrow
in
is the
Delhi.
best.
Girl, chicken bones in Delhi or any metropolitan city are just chemicals and they're just medicines to make them grow larger. Okay, so the bones which are from
What
the
about the meat then?
The
medicine
meat-
only goes to the bones.
I mean, you're not supposed. I've heard ki you're not supposed to chew the bones of these. What are these called? Broiler chicken. You're not supposed to chew the bones of a broiler chicken.
But broiler is the only bone that we can chew. Our teeth are not that hard. That we
Yeah,
can eat the local
but you're
chicken.
not
Now that
supposed to.
all the vegetarians have tuned
Oh,
off,
sorry.
I think we will
Okay.
end the conversation here
Yes.
and go out for some chicken bones. Bye, guys. Thank you for listening.
Bye.
Bye bye.